I made these savory cupcakes with sun-dried tomato and Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. We start with 2 eggs at room temperature. We add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, dried oregano. Then I add half cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix it very well. Then add 1 cup of flour and keep mixing. Now we add 1 cup of shredded Colby and Monterey Jack cheese and 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomato and another cup of a cubed Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. Spray the cupcake tray with some oil spray, then use the ice cream scooper to scoop the batter in it. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit and bake it on the middle rack for 20 minutes or until they are fully cooked. I topped each one with some shredded Parmesan cheese. I served it with warm marinara sauce.